Bonsoir. Right now, we are going to do the story. And I want you, the next two, there are only two more left. I want you to listen to the stories, keep listening to them, practicing them over and over again. Lesson 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So then when we go into just the little ones, the memory verses, you are prepared for the level 2, for just listening and translating and breaking things down. Okay? So this story, we follow the same strategy 4 times. The very first time I tell you the story, you're just listening and trying to get the gist, or what words are you getting, or what's that one word you're not getting. When I do it the second time, I'm much slower. You can pause, you can look, you don't rewind. The third time, I break it down to help you understand what I'm saying and why I put the words in the order that they're in. The last time, you close your eyes and you go, what am I getting now that I've done all the strategies? Okay? Okay. Nanouche travaille dans yon l'hôpital nan Port-au-Prince. Gen moun ki vin ak tèt fè mal epi gen fi ki enceinte tou. Nanouche ede yon demoiselle ki te gen pneumonie. Li bal médicament pour prendre chaque 4 temps jusqu'à ce qu'elle finisse. Moi-même, c'est si que moi fait. Nanouche fote yon crème en bas pied côté blessé. Ça te ka fait mal en pile, même pas gen doule. Ou ta pense c'est tout Port-au-Prince qui malade si ta man gen moun dans l'hôpital là. Yo dame décomposée coulant dans l'hôpital là. Nanouche di li te fè kriz. Mwen pat ka tan toune la ka mwen. Nanouche ti sim sentim bien. Et sim pa gen symptôme encore, mwen tout met ale. So, Nanouche te dim sentim bien. Okay, that's the part. That's what I meant to say there. Sorry, that last part. Nanouche te dim sentim bien. Et sim pa gen symptôme encore, mwen tout met ale. Excusez. So this time I'm going to say the whole thing again, slowly. Nanouche travaille nan yon l'hôpital nan Port-au-Prince. Port-au-Prince. Gen moun ki vin ak tèt fè mal, epi gen fi ki enceinte tout. Nanouche ede yon demoiselle ki te gen pneumonia. Li bal médicament pour prendre chaque 4 temps jusqu'à ce qu'elle finisse. Nanouche frotte yon crème en bas pied côté blessé. Ça te ka fait mal en pile, même pas gen doule. Ou ta pensé, c'est tout Port-au-Prince qui malade. Si tellement gen moun nan l'hôpital la. Nanouche di li te fait crise. Yon dame décomposée coule entrée dans l'hôpital la. Nanouche di li te fait crise. Mwen pat ka tan toune la kay mwen. Nanouche te dim sentim bien. Et sim pa gen symptôme encore, mwen tout met ale. So there were a few words I gave you because I didn't want you looking them up in the back of the dictionary going, what is Port-au-Prince? It's Port-au-Prince. I wanted you to know. So now we're going to break them down sentence by sentence. Nanouche travaille dans l'hôpital dans Port-au-Prince. Nanouche works at a hospital in Port-au-Prince. Nanouche is a name. Nanouche travaille. Nanouche works dans l'hôpital in a hospital dans Port-au-Prince in Port-au-Prince. Gen moun ki vin ak tèt fè mal, epi gen fi ki enceinte tout. There are people who come with headaches, and there are girls, women, females, who are pregnant also. Gen moun ki, there are people who vin a tête fait mal, come with headaches. Et puis gen fi, and also there are girls, women, females, qui enceinte too, who are pregnant also. Nanouche ede yon demoiselle qui te gen pneumonie. Nanouche helps a young lady who had pneumonia. Nanouche helps yon demoiselle, a young lady qui te gen who had pneumonia. Li bal médicament pou pran chaque 4 temps jusqu'à ce qu'elle finit. She gave her medication to take every 4 hours until it is done. That lets you know that that is an antibiotic, okay? Li bal, she gives her medication pour prendre chaque 4 temps, to take every 4 hours jusqu'à ce qu'elle, until it fini, is finished. Nanouche frotte, Nanouche rubs in yon crème en bas pied, a lotion, a cream under my feet. Kotem where I'm blessée, bruised. So kotem blessée, in the place where I'm hurt. Sa te ka fe mal en pile, même pat gen douleur. That could have hurt me really badly, but I didn't have pain. Sa te ka, that could have. That te ka could have. Fem mal en pile, do me wrong a lot, hurt me a lot. Même, but I, même pat gen douleur, did not have pain. Ou ta pensé, c'est tout Port-au-Prince qui malade, si tellement gen moun nan l'hôpital la. You would think it's all of Port-au-Prince that is sick because there are so many people in the hospital. This is a very cultural breakdown. Ou ta pensé, you would think, c'est tout Port-au-Prince. It's all of Port-au-Prince. Qui malade, who are sick. Si tellement, now, so much, but we're implying there's so much. Gen moun, having people. So si tellement gen moun, there's so many people. There is so much people, so many people nan l'hôpital la, in the hospital. Yon dame décomposée coulantre nan l'hôpital la. One lady passed out as soon as she entered the hospital. Yon dame, a lady. We sometimes use dame, okay? Décomposée, passed out, fainted. Couli, cool, as soon as she entrée dans l'hôpital, entered the hospital, entered in the hospital. Nanouche dit li te fait crise. Nanouche said she had a heart attack. Nanouche says li te, she, past tense, fait crise, K-R-I-Z, fait crise, to make crise, a heart attack. Mwen pat ka tan pou m'tourne la kay mwen. I couldn't wait to go back to my house. Mwen pat ka, I could not wait tourne la kay mwen. to return to my home or to return home. Nanouche te dim, sentim bien. Et si m'pa gen symptôme encore, mwen tou met ale. Nanouche said that I felt better. I was feeling better. And if I don't have any more symptoms, I could just go home. Nanouche te dim mwen. Nanouche te dim. Nanouche told me, sentim bien, that I feel well, that I feel better. Et sim, and if I pa gen symptôme, don't have symptoms encore, again, or anymore, mwen tou met ala ale. I may go. Tou met, tou is just emphasizing like, I may go. Like I can go too, because if I don't have symptoms, I could just go. It's almost really like saying I could just go culturally. Okay, I'm going to read the whole thing and I want you to take your time to digest it. If there's a word that you go, why did that break down that way? Go back and look at that vocabulary. Watch the going deeper with that vocab. Okay? Nanouche travay nan yon l'hôpital nan Port-au-Prince. Gen moun ki vin ak tèt fè mal epi gen fi ki enceinte tou. Nanouche ede yon demoiselle ki te gen pneumonie. Li bal médicament pou pran chak 4 etan jiska skel fini. Moi-même se sik mwen fè. Nanouche fote yon krem an ba piem kote m blese a. Sa te ka fè mal an pil, men pat gen doule. Ou ta pense se tout Port-au-Prince ki malade si telman gen moun nan l'hôpital la. Yon dam dekompose kou l'entre nan l'hôpital la. Nanouche di li te fè kriz. Mwen pat ka tan dounen la kay mwen. Nanouche te di m sentim bien. E si m pa gen symptôme ankor, mwen tou met al la kay mwen. Or, mwen tou met ale. Okay, guys, go ahead, download the video, like it. I think earlier I had told you in the last video that the next video was going to be on only listening to my Creole with the exercice, and I meant only listen to my Creole with the story. But right now, exercice in Creole is next, so only listen. Au revoir.